Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Few days more left. Another 2 weeks for your almost entire session only if you see to get over. I suppose its first week is already done.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. I understand, children. Don't worry. Few days only left. You people only tell me what has to be revised now. Today I'll discuss with you once everybody joins. I'll discuss the syllabus part with you today. And I'll ask you what has to be revised. Because after this week, I'm planning to stop this and I'll start assessment. 5566 students will write and share the screen. I'll tell them their problems. That I think that is the only thing which needs to be done. So whoever, I'll put the names on the group, that these students need to be there. So when you are there, your turn is there, please join. That is what we need to do. Once everybody is in, those who want to come, let's discuss a bit about the syllabus and then let me know what are the things you want me to help you in.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes,
now you
Petri.
also know that, ma'am, our syllabus is completed, ma'am, almost. Ma'am, now can we have alternative classes of English?
We are going to have alternate only. Very soon we are
Yes,
starting
ma'am.
new timetable. We are starting with alternate day. Don't worry. 3 days, Surbhi ma'am will take class. 3 days I'll take. We already done with the new
Okay.
timetable. Maybe it starts this week, day after tomorrow or something. We already done with the timetable. She'll be taking 3 days. I'll be taking 3 days. So it's alternate days only, but not English class on alternate days. I mean, you're going to have one English class every day, though you will not have 2 periods of English. 3 days, madam will take. 3 days, I'll take.
Ma'am, that would be also helpful.
Okay, let us very quickly discuss the syllabus part today, so that there is no confusion.
Okay, ma'am.
One thing which
Means
I
we
want
would
to
be
discuss
having, ma'am,
today.
5 classes a day.
No, dear, you'll have 6 classes a day. Though English will be only one.
Ma'am, then how 6?
Arey, you'll study a lot of science. All IT and see, we have got how many people who cleared IT mains, JEEs?
4.
Ma'am, you know Ramandeep Bhaiya.
Ramandeep. But he to left the school now after
Ma'am,
10th.
Yes,
4
ma'am.
from
Ma'am, he
our
got
school.
195th rank. Ma'am, he's my cousin.
The one who lives in Mahanagar.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
His name is Ramandeep. I just call him Raman. Raman. He has been my
Yes,
student.
ma'am. Raman Bhai.
He stays in Mahanagar.
Yes, ma'am.
What rank he has got?
195.
195. Rohit Raj Kohli has got 500 something. He was a dummy candidate from Woodrow actually. Raman, na?
Yes, ma'am. He was in Ellen.
He went to Kota, na, actually.
He was in
Yes,
Kota.
Ellen.
Yeah, I know him very well. He's my distant neighbor. He keeps coming to my place. We play a lot of Ludo at my house. He plays. They have a gang, all of these children together. They play. But he's very serious, no doubt. Very good. He's got this rank 195.
Yes, ma'am.
Even the head boy that we had, he's also cleared beta.
Yes,
Amritansh.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Amritansh, Rudransh, Rohit
Rohit
Raj,
Bhaiya and Shyamal Bhaiya. Shyamal Krishnan.
Shamal. Yes, 4 of these. And Raman also, if you see, he's our product school only. 10th he did from here. 11, 12 he was a
Yes,
dummy candidate from Woodrow. But we cannot write it as our alumni because he's not now with us. Anybody else you know who's done it? So they are your role models now, my children. Study a lot of maths and science. We are reducing one English period.
ma'am, he's my cousin. Ma'am, I talked. Ma'am, I had a talk, ma'am, before his exam.
He's your cousin. Okay. What talk you
Yes,
had with
ma'am.
him? Please enlighten the
Uh,
general
ma'am,
public.
that's private. I'm sorry.
I hope I'm not getting confused between Ramandeep and Ram. Raman is the same boy, no, who makes a ponytail these days.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, her mother name is
Hmm.
Sarojat. Ma'am, you know him.
That I don't know, but I know he's a distant neighbor. He keeps coming to my house.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
play a lot of Ludo and chess. He makes a ponytail. And whenever he comes to my house, he steals my hair ties. The bands which we tie our hair with, whenever he comes,
Hmm.
he takes it away. He makes a very, very good. He's done this. Such a good thing to know. Fun loving child, very nice. So
Yes,
they are your
ma'am. And
motivation now. You should be motivated. The previous
of
batch has
course,
given
ma'am.
us 5.
Yes.
How many from this batch? Eh? This is what तूफान के पहले का शांति. This is what you call in Hindi.
No, mom, this
Might
is
be.
तूफान के बाद की शांति.
तूफान के बाद. How many this year? Next year at this time, when the results will be out, we'll be again counting on fingers such people. How many of you are targeting?
Ma'am, we will directly show you.
Oh, that's it. जो करते हैं वो बोलते नहीं है. Anyways, let me see how much you show me the present part. How much you are aware about present syllabus deleted. What all things are deleted from your syllabus? First of all, let's discuss that very quickly. Tell me what are the deletions. Number one, let's take it heading wise. Let's first start from reading. एक एक करके. Let's talk about
Yes,
reading.
ma'am.
What is
Ma'am,
deleted
note
from-
making and summarizing.
Excellent. Note making and summarizing is deleted from reading. Please remember that. Now let's move on to writing. What is deleted from writing?
Poster making, speech, debate, business, letters, official letters, for making inquiry, registering complaint, asking for giving orders, and sending replies.
You are reading from somewhere. Good.
Yes,
Placing
ma'am.
orders.
Ma'am, I have saved all the deleted portion files.
That is very important for you. Obviously, you need to save this. You don't need to waste your time. Beta kuch bacha hi nahi hai if
Can
you
you
see.
please send it on the group? No deleted part.
हाँ, Harsh, you can post it on the group for the
Yes,
convenience
ma'am.
of others. See, beta, the writing
Ma'am,
part, the poster is not there, the business letter is not there, official letter is not there, no letters of complaints, information, placing order, replies, speech, debate, nothing is there now. So we have a short writing task of 3 marks. Let's come to the writing section. How many marks for writing section? Hari, tell me the marks distribution now.
Ma'am, actually we do not get the deleted one.
You've not got the
That,
deleted part.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, reading comprehension में कुछ भी नहीं बचा. You simply need to read the comprehensions and give questions and answers. You don't have to make summaries
Ma'am,
or
I
make
got
notes.
marks parts. Reading comprehension 20, creative writing 16, literature 44.
Very good.
Cool.
So, comprehension reading is how many marks, children?
20.
20. If you see, this is very important. And it is very easy. We are going to target what parts we can easily do. So this 20 marks is done. Let's come to the writing section now. Writing section, how many marks?
16.
16 marks. Now let me tell you a little more about the writing part. So beta, if you see 20 marks for comprehension, 16 marks you have for writing section. So this makes how much? This makes your 36 marks. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it beta? And literature is again 24 marks subjective, that part you have. 24 marks for literature. So let us talk about this 16 marks now. In these 16 marks, you will have 2 short writing tasks of 3 marks each. 16 marks means you will have to write 4 things. You will have 4 writing tasks, out of which 2 are short writing and 2 are detailed writing tasks. In short writing task, which is of 3 marks, the word limit is 50 words. Matlab, if it is a 3 marks question, you will have 2 questions of 3 marks, you will have 2 questions of 5 marks. So in total, you need to attempt 4 questions of writing section. The first one, which is your short writing task, is 3 marks, 50 words. There will be a choice between a notice and an advertisement. You have to attempt any one. Why I'm sharing this with you is prepare yourself, get expertise in at least one. You will have a choice between notice and advertisement, but I'm not saying that completely ignore the other one. Sometimes the topic is not, you will be not very comfortable with, so you may go for another option. But make yourself confident in any one of them. Notice and advertisement. So notice writing or advertisement writing is going to be 3 marks and the word limit is 50 words. The second short writing task, again of 3 marks, again of 50 words, is invitations and replies. Again, you have a choice between formal and informal. Formal, informal invitations and replies. So beta, there are 2 short writing tasks. Both of them are 3 marks. In both of them, the word limit is 50 words. In both of them, you have a choice. So I have discussed about 6 marks with you. Now let's move on to question number 3 and 4. That is a detailed writing task, which will be of 5 marks. And the word limit is 120 to 150 words. The first 5 marks question will be a letter. Again, I'm telling you, you'll have 1 out of 2 to be done. Either you need to write a letter to the editor or you'll write a job application with a CV. Once again, my suggestion to all of you would be get expertise in one at least, so you're mentally prepared over there that this is what I'm going to do. You can come with me for the assessment and tell me, ma'am, this is what I've selected. I'll give you a question based on that type only, and then you write. If you are done, well and good. You will also feel confident that I'm prepared. So 1 out of 2, the choice is going to be either a letter to the editor or you need to write an application for job with CV. The last writing section, again of 5 marks, is an article or report. Again, a choice over here, article writing or report writing. It is entirely your choice. You want to write an article, you want to write a report, 120 to 150 words. I would suggest article writing because in report writing, you have to be very careful about tenses. So if you're not very confident about the tenses wala part, then do not opt for report writing, opt for article writing. Article writing, you have your convenience. You can move on to past tense, come to the present, talk about future. You don't have any restrictions. But in report writing, you have to be very particular about the tenses that you're writing. Direct to reported speech, I don't know how many of you did seriously in class 9th and 10th. We had reported speech in 9th and 10th. How many of you did it seriously?
Ma'am, I did.
Okay, very good. You did. Very good. Was becomes?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, had.
Had. Excellent. Was becomes had. Present continuous tense changes to?
Past continuous.
What are the 2 tenses in which normally changes are not done when we talk about reported speech?
Ma'am, one is future perfect continuous.
Chalon, let me not go to proper teaching of grammar over here for you. I would suggest, again, I'm saying if you're confident about tenses, go for report writing or simply go for article writing. So let me very quickly ask you again.
Articles we
talk
have been.
about Hanji Beta.
Nothing, ma'am. I was just saying that we have been doing article for long. That's why we are comfortable with it.
Plus, beta, in article, you don't have to be rigid. It's all your freedom, your views. You can write anything. But in report writing, you need to stick to what you're reporting. So anything vague that you're writing, anything which is not contextual, which is not relating to the part which is assigned to you, it is considered as irrelevant. And the teacher simply cuts it. So that is why I say report writing is very dicey. There are 2 reasons. One is in report writing, you need to stick to the part what you are reporting. And second is you have to be careful about tenses also. Article writing, you're free. If I talk about pollution, how was the pollution in the past? What is the condition in the present? What do you think it is going to be in the future? Though, be very sure that you do not have a pessimistic attitude when you're writing an article. Don't write the whole world will finish, we will all die, pollution will eat us all up, COVID will eat us. Don't do this. Always end up with an optimistic approach whenever you're writing an article on any concerned topic that you're writing. Let me discuss very quickly how many marks for the writing section, children?
16.
16 marks. out of which 2 questions are short writing tasks, each of how many marks?
3 marks.
3 marks. Beta, these are the things which should be very clear in your mind when you go for your exam. So what should be the word limit of a 3 marks question?
50 words.
50 words. In the first question for 3 marks, you have a choice between notice and
Advertisement.
notice and advertisement. The second is again a short writing task of 3 marks where you have replies and invitations, formal or informal. Again, you decide what is your choice you want to do. In the letter, again, you have a choice between 2 types of letters. Tell me what are the 2 types of letters you'll have a choice?
Job application or letter to the editor.
Job application or letter to the editor. And the last one is very simple. What is it? Article writing or report writing.
Report
5
writing.
marks means how many words?
Excuse me, ma'am.
120 to
Anji beta.
150.
And what do you suggest?
Yes.
Job application letter or letter to the editor?
See, personally, I would suggest letter to the editor. I'll tell you why. Letter to the editor has almost the same format. And if you do 2 or 3, discuss with me 2 or 3 letters, you'll be clear. But when it comes to job application with CV, I cannot train you in all the possibilities which they may ask because the CV pattern changes according to the job requirement. Sometimes they will tell about hiring of nurses. I remember we had this question in one of the boards that you have to apply for the post of a nurse in a hospital. This we had not practiced. I think nobody had thought of it. So children really focused on what? How much percentage they got in 10th, how much they got in 12th. They were good players of basketball, they won debates and this and this. None of them mentioned, I mean, I'm talking about the people I know about. I'm not saying none of them means everybody in the world. They did not mention about the nursing training, what they have done, or what special certification or what special they have for this part of the job. That is why I say this is difficult. Application for job is no doubt difficult. Your language has to be too polite, number one. Number two, sometimes they tell you whom to address. Sometimes they don't even tell you this. They'll simply write that MSAB firms needs a chartered accountant and you need to apply. Children get confused whom to address. Lot
Ma'am, then
many
what
things
all
are there.
things we'll write, ma'am, for this situation?
Which situation, beta? Nurse.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, nurse and ma'am,
Chalo, let's discuss. If you're talking about a
any
nurse,
anonymous one.
of course, you'll discuss about your academics, whatever qualifications you have. What will a person look for? If I'm the owner of a hospital and I want a nurse, am I interested that the person is a national basketball player?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Obviously. Am I interested that the person has won a lot of inter-school debate competitions?
No.
No.
No,
So
ma'am.
what are the personal qualities that you should mention in your CV if you are applying for a nurse or a nursing attendant? These days, basically, it is nurse slash nursing attendant. Even the males are into this service sector now. Earlier, we only had females who were working as nurse. Now, even we have males who do this nursing program. They are known as nursing attendants. Don't call them as nurses, but they are nursing attendants. Exactly the same job as the females do as nurse. So if it is you are going to apply for a nurse or a nursing attendant, so children got confused here also. Should I apply for nurse or should I apply for nursing attendant? It means the same. So what are the qualities that should be present in a nurse or a nursing attendant? What would you
Ma'am,
look for?
experience in medical practice. I'm under a doctor, experienced doctor.
Okay, experience of working under a doctor or working in a hospital. What is the basic quality? What is the main function that a person has to do if he is working as a nursing attendant?
Ma'am, basically, ma'am, medical practice, ma'am, which he or she has done in the previous hospital.
Okay, we'll talk more about experience because handling patients is something very crucial. So we'll focus more on how much experience the person has. And is the experience from big reputed good hospitals? Okay, these are the things we generally focus. If you are the owner of a hospital, you're looking for a nurse, you don't want a fresher, no? You'll have to train the person from the beginning. So you will look for the experience. So when you're writing your CV, mention how long experience you have. which good hospitals you have worked with. And if you talk about a teacher, then the CV is entirely different. What should be the qualities? What should we highlight if we are looking for if we are applying for a teacher? Then what are the things we need to put in the CV?
Academic achievements.
Ma'am,
Yes,
graduation.
yes.
Ma'am, that
Here the
B.Ed you said.
percentage, very good. Your percentage and subjects matter a lot. What is the professional qualification you've done? B.Ed, you've done M.Ed or not? You've done. If you're applying for a nursery teacher, you have a special degree that is called NTT. So sometimes they confuse you like this also. Post of a nursery teacher. So in nursery teacher, we don't need a B.Ed degree. There is a separate professional degree for nursery teachers, which is known as NTT, nursery teacher training. So kindergarten teachers don't need a B.Ed. They need a separate degree that is NTT. Why I'm telling you this is very dicey. This is very typical. Application for job in CV.
Ma'am, what is my
If you
BTC?
decide, yes, Peter,
Ma'am, what is my BTC?
what is
BTC.
BTC? It is a bachelor training certificate. It is basically graduates who can go for this teaching professional degree. They are known as BTCs. It is generally government desired. When government hires in government schools, they have these exams as BTCs, bachelor training certification. This is bachelor teaching. If you are a bachelor graduate, I'm not talking about bachelor means unmarried boy here. Bachelor means a graduate. So you can always apply for teaching certification, BTCs. So there are so many different degrees, there are so many different requirements. Let's think about a chartered accountant. If a big firm is looking for a chartered accountant and you have to apply, what will you write? What will you write your qualifications? What will you focus on, beta, if you're working as a chartered accountant?
Ma'am, medals and achievements in accounts.
Yes. And what else would matter? Good.
Ma'am, should we include that 12 percentage?
In chartered accountant,
Yes, ma'am.
if you want, you can include. But if you're a chartered accountant, that means you really worked hard after class 12, no doubt. What will you look for? Supposing you are owning a company, you are the CEO of a company, you're going to hire a chartered accountant. What will be your priority when you see the CVs? 4 or 5
Ma'am,
CVs.
experience.
Ma'am, it can be that, ma'am, he has worked somewhere else also. And
Yes,
then
that
we
means
can
you're
mention
talking
that.
about experience. Very good. That he
Yes,
has
ma'am.
a experience.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
which kind of accounts he's been handling, how big firm he was handling accounts.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
basically it matters over here,
Thank you.
experience. Yes, it is experience. If you're going for a sports coach, if you want to apply for a cricket coach, then what will you apply? What will you write? What is your qualification? What will you highlight? If you want to apply for a cricket coach in a school,
some medals or certificates from state competitions or national competitions.
excellent, excellent. Whether you have been a
Ma'am, other than that,
participant.
ma'am, can we, ma'am, other than this, ma'am.
Other than this, what else?
Yes, ma'am.
Medals
There's
and
anything
certificates.
Accolades
that we
received
can
in
mention,
sports.
ma'am.
Yes, the accolades. You could also mention whether you've been a state level player, you participated in Ranji level, you played Ranji, or you played interstate, whatever is your basically what are your achievements. You need to highlight that. How long is your
And here
experience
also,
in
ma'am, we
training?
can tell our experience, ma'am.
Okay, we can tell our experience. Supposing a hospital is looking for a doctor, neurologist, and I am the or you or I are we own the hospital. We are not doctors. We've just invested money. We've opened a hospital, and we are looking for a doctor, a neurologist. So, and you have to apply. Tell me, apply now. You all of you apply to me. What will you write in your CV? What is the thing that you'll highlight?
Maybe a number of successful surgeries or
Ma'am, MBBS degree.
Beta, MBBS degree, to no doubt you'll have to have. And something additional, what is additional after MBBS, which adds on to your qualification when we talk about?
MD, MBBS,
MD,
MD, and then
MS.
specialization.
Yes, the specialization. It could be MS, anything, If it's surgery, then it's going to be MS. So make it
Yes,
something
ma'am. MS.
different from others. Why I have discussed so many examples with you people, there are two reasons, beta. Hardly we have number of days left now. I think from tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we are starting with not tomorrow, I'm sure. But I think from Friday or Saturday, we'll start with the new timetable. So we'll have alternate days classes. And if I talk about this month, and I talk about 15, 16 days, then alternate days classes means we'll meet 6, 7 times in this month. Now, rather than taking up comprehensions or notice writing or letter writing, I want you people to individually prepare yourselves now. Because of this COVID time, I don't know whether we are going to meet or we are not going to meet. So, how do I personally check you is my concern. Please plan a strategy for yourself, all of you. Very clear mind map should be there. See, when I go for exams, I'm going to attempt this and I need to do this, this, and this. This is what I'll do it. I'm not suggesting everybody the same strategy. If you feel more confident in the other part, you can go for the other part as well. But please plan yourself now. Don't get confused in the examination hall. Most of the time, what happens is you don't plan your strategy, you go there and then you keep wasting time, 2-3 minutes on each question. Should I do this? Should I do this? And this year, we are going to have a lot of choice. As told by CBSE, we are going to have a lot of choice.
Ma'am,
So,
40 marks MCQs.
Ma'am,
yes.
is there any alternative for CV?
Pardon? Or yes, do we
I'm
have?
in
I told
writing.
you just now that is letter to the editor.
Okay.
I would always suggest go for letter to the editor. It's very simple. 3 paragraphs. Why we are writing this letter? Discuss the problems. Second paragraph. Third, end up with an optimistic approach, and that's it. This is the only thing you need to do in letter to the editor. So once we decide that okay, these children are going for letter to the editor, we'll go and discuss about letter to the editor with them. We'll make them write. Now you should start focusing because 6 or 7 sessions more we'll have. This is what I was calculating today. If I'm
And
not
then after
wrong,
that,
yes, Peter.
ma'am, then after
After that,
that, what
November,
we
you've got your pre-boards. November, you've got your pre-boards. You've got Diwali coming
Ma'am,
up.
when in November?
Beta, that
yes,
is what I
ma'am.
wanted to discuss with sir. Today we have a meeting in the school. We are going to
Ma'am,
prepare the group
because
sheets.
it was in the newspaper yesterday that after 3 weeks, no attendance and exam would be there in school after 15.
Matlab, I did not read this. What exactly?
Ma'am, there was something guidelines. It was on the front page of Amar Ujala yesterday.
I think it is a guideline that these students are going to get a discount of some percentage in attendance.
No, ma'am,
In
it was
principle,
like that
No, ma'am.
after reopening of schools on
hmm.
15 till 3 weeks, there won't be any exams, pre-boards in schools.
Yes, ma'am.
Exams, basically, there it was
Ma'am, I
written.
have the
We are not
screenshot. May I
opening
send it?
now. We are not opening only. We are
Ma'am,
going to
I have
take
the
online
photo. May I
only.
send it?
Online exams again.
Yes, it is. It is not. We are not calling you to school because nobody
Okay.
has opted. Nobody has written. Not even a single child from class
Ma'am,
11th
What
and
but
12th.
about those
those
18
18
students you were
states are,
telling us?
yes, ma'am. You were telling.
What?
One principal
Ma'am,
sir
you
said
told us
18
that
students have
18
agreed.
students are coming and they have
See
agreed.
that I don't know, that I don't want to get into. But I'm talking about what was written on the group. Sir had put a message on the group for consent, and I
Yes,
checked
ma'am.
the groups. I checked the groups of 11th and 12th. 11th and 12th, not even one student wrote that we are interested.
Yes,
So there is no point. I don't think it is a point that we'll call you for exams to school. However, for doubt clearing session, we were planning beta once a week to have. Like, I mean, something we are discussing this. Good if you all are here. Like if Monday we say English teachers will be available in the school between 2 to 3. Physics teacher will be available on Tuesday between 2 to 3.
ma'am.
This is
Then
something
also,
we are
ma'am, no
planning.
one will come, ma'am.
No one will come, ma'am.
No, ma'am,
That
but
is what.
that's still a good idea. And
It's a
some
good
children are
idea,
always
but
there who have doubts.
That is what. That is the only thing we are
or ma'am,
discussing
like
and
we could
working
have
on.
something like we could have classes till Friday, and on Saturday we could have a dedicated doubt session.
Yes, ma'am. Online.
Huh.
Online.
Yes, ma'am. That would be better, ma'am.
A
If we
proper
say,
dedicated doubt session.
yes, ma'am, on
1
Saturday.
hour per subject.
Yes, ma'am, this is good.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
This will very helpful.
Yes, you're right. This would be good one. Let me discuss. Today we have a meeting
Very
in the
good,
school.
Harsh, right?
Beta, we'll get it done. This very good. Whatever suggestions you people have, for sure, we'll see that they are done. So we'll go for this Saturday. We'll have the doubt clearing sessions because as it is, the syllabus is quite comfortable now in most of the subjects. How much literature?
Ma'am,
You were
we
left
can
with 2
have,
poems.
ma'am, a holiday on Saturday,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
last poem was going on.
last
It was
poem.
completed.
Acha, you're in the last one.
Yes.
So it's okay. Writing section we are already done with. And physics and chemistry
PhD
also, I think
completed.
it's
Ma'am, physics and chemistry it is. Ma'am, in physics now we are on the last 2 or 3 chapters and these are very small chapters.
Yes, ma'am.
so.
Dual
I think
nature,
before
Now we are
Dashera,
atoms.
doing.
by Dashera, I think it would be done. Physics, chemistry also. 25th October,
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Dashera 25th.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, by 15th only it would be completed 15 or 16 in
Even if
physics.
we have Saturday doubt clearing sessions, then it will pull till what? It will pull till 20th October or 23rd October.
Ma'am,
No,
Dashera is.
ma'am, before 20, ma'am.
ma'am,
It will be done before 20.
Yes, ma'am. Before 20 it would be
Even
ma'am,
if we have
completed in both.
Saturday, even if sir is not teaching on
Yes, ma'am.
Saturdays and we have
Yes,
doubt clearing,
ma'am.
then also.
Yes, ma'am. Then also it would be around 1 or 2 days more it will take.
So good for you people. When do you want your pre-boards?
Ma'am, in the
Why
late
bunch
November,
together,
ma'am.
December.
man? Bunch.
Ma'am, late November.
Yes, ma'am, late November.
I'm in the beginning of December.
Or beginning
December
of
में
Yes,
have your
December.
ma'am.
December
That's
तो
what.
बेटे you have your second pre-boards. How can we have December में first pre-board?
But ma'am, our math syllabus is not completed, ma'am. There is no need,
Yes,
ma'am, to
ma'am. The
take
whole
early,
one book
ma'am,
is
before
left.
that.
How much is left in maths?
One book.
Ma'am, we are doing integrals. Like application of integrals is left, differential,
Ma'am, one book
vector,
is now
algebra.
And 1.5
completely left.
months syllabus is left, ma'am. And
One
we
book
need
is
some
left.
time.
Entire one
Yes,
book is
No,
ma'am.
left.
ma'am.
But ma'am,
Yes,
the long
ma'am.
chapters are almost completed.
Ma'am,
Yes,
like
ma'am.
Ma'am,
after,
integration
ma'am,
is a very long
integral is
chapter.
on till end. We are doing the definite part.
Ma'am, only small part, ma'am. That is very small
Ma'am, it will
chapter.
take 1 month and 8, 9
Ma'am,
days.
1.5 months, ma'am, 1.5.
More than ma'am,
Acha,
1.5.
So that way
Approx.
you mean that will go up to
Okay, hold
Diwali.
on.
Diwali
Yes,
Diwali?
14th October.
Late
14
November.
November. 14
14
November.
November.
Hmm. So if you talk about 1.5 month, it's somewhere around Diwali. You'll be able to complete math syllabus.
Hmm.
Ma'am, after
And
Diwali,
then
ma'am.
we will need some time to revise it, approximately 10 days. So December will be.
Because today we are planning to prepare a date sheet for pre-boards. We have a meeting
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
school. We are going.
Ma'am, there is no need to, ma'am, take early, ma'am. Rather, ma'am, we can prepare for that.
We were thinking syllabus would be done. We'll give you a break. And then we can start somewhere by mid-November. That is what we were planning. October 2021, the syllabus would be done.
So, ma'am, we can
October
do that
means
in other subjects, ma'am. We can continue maths and, ma'am, break for physics, chemistry, and English.
just
Ma'am, will
one
that be
period of
okay?
maths or something. Na? That is what you all are
Yes,
saying.
ma'am. Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
we could
But then,
increase
ma'am, we can
maths
get
classes.
1 month
One
break,
more
ma'am.
maths
Beta,
class could
as
be
it
increased.
is in the new timetable, what we have done is I have put your first period as mathematics period.
Ma'am,
And
time?
it is not a 45 minutes period. It's going to be a 1 hour class every day now. According to the new timetable, your
But,
first
ma'am,
period is
we can
mathematics.
still have that break, 1 month break. Ma'am, our maths class will continue and, ma'am, other subjects will stop.
I'm talking
Will
about the
that be
time
okay?
part for maths class. Your maths class, as it is going to increase. Your first period is maths only, and it is not
In time?
45 minutes. Time is 7:45 to 8:45.
No, ma'am.
7:45?
Ma'am, we can't.
Yes, it is 7.
Ma'am,
Your school is going to start.
7:45?
Yes, beta,
Ma'am,
it's
we'll have to wake up
7:45
early.
now. Yes,
Ma'am, I'm
but you'll
on
be
bed
free
till
early, na?
8:30,
You'll be
ma'am.
free also. Arey, that side
No,
you'll
Ma'am,
be
but
ma'am.
free early.
waking up early is more difficult.
Yes, ma'am.
But you people only say दोपहर में नींद आता है and this happens and that happens.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, till
Ma'am,
hello,
पर
by
ma'am.
when
सुबह
we'll
भी
be
नींद
free?
आती है.
You reach school in the morning at 7 o'clock, so 7:45 at home with your comfort, and 10
Ma'am,
minutes
that
break
was
you
a
will have.
different case,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
that
We
time
used to
we
have
can
activity
take
period
bath
in
every day
school
and then
at
we
that time.
move out of our houses
10
and then
minutes,
go.
10
Yes,
minutes
Ma'am,
ma'am.
break you
activity
will
Yes,
period
have
used to
now.
act, ma'am,
ma'am.
in activity period acted as an inspiration for us to wake up early
Yes, ma'am.
So
during
10
those times.
minutes break you will get now. Attend your maths period, then go and brush your teeth. Then again come for the next class. Again a break of 10 minutes. Go and take a bath.
But ma'am, we can have match in the mid. Ma'am, that's better.
And then
Please
again
arrange that.
come attend a class. Then eat your breakfast.
If
See
ma'am,
how
school will be
convenient
over by.
timetable. Hmm?
Ma'am, school will be over by when? Like, what time will school get over then?
Beta school though I don't know when it is going to open, but I'm very sure this timetable because I have prepared, so I have all the
Ma'am, there
details.
is
No,
one
ma'am,
more
I'm asking.
suggestion.
No, I'm asking till when it will get over, like 1 or 12:30.
120, 125.
Okay.
So
Ma'am,
you'll
there is
start
one
at
more
7:45.
suggestion.
You'll be free by
Ma'am,
1:20. Hmm?
ma'am, like we have Zoom meeting of 40 minutes and classes of 45 minutes. So those 5 minutes are almost wasted. So we could have
You
classes
ask
of
my
40
bio
minutes.
students. Ask my
So we
bio
could,
student what I do. I start on WhatsApp after that. This is normally what happens.
yes, ma'am. So
I
we
will
could
say
have
you're
class
right.
of 40 minutes. It would be best.
And a break of 10 minutes. So we would save on another 25 minutes and you'll be free by
Yes,
1. You
ma'am.
know?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You are absolutely right. I also was feeling the same thing because what I and Surbi ma'am generally do is we switch on to WhatsApp after this.
But ma'am,
After
But
after
the
that,
ma'am,
no
no
5
one
one
minutes.
replies on
responds, ma'am.
WhatsApp group. Everyone is
Huh?
tired.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Everybody needs.
But then our conscious, we feel, oh, still 3, 4 minutes are left. I always do this. I shift on to WhatsApp. Then I said, okay, chalo, answer this, answer that. But you're right, beta. Somewhere that 5 minutes will be added on to this 10 minutes wala break.
Yes, ma'am.
So it will become again
Ma'am,
15 minutes.
ma'am, you
Okay.
said that ma'am we'll have a break, ma'am. Now we'll have it on holidays.
So beta, that is what we have decided. Today we are going for the meeting that after the syllabus is over, we'll give you a break and then we'll start with the pre-boards. But now this question has come up of math syllabus. I'll have to discuss with
But ma'am,
the
we can continue only
authorities.
maths, ma'am.
We could do that when
Yes,
the
ma'am.
syllabus is completed. We could continue only with the maths class by increasing
Yes,
the
ma'am.
time of maths class.
And then we can revise
Yeah, and we
another
could
time,
revise
ma'am.
other
Let's
subjects.
And we can use
see.
that.
Yeah, I'll also give this suggestion only. And I think your math syllabus will be done at a better speed now because you will be getting a 1 hour class every day for mathematics
Yes,
in place of
ma'am.
45 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what I feel
And then there
maybe.
is no need, ma'am, for online classes after the syllabus is completed, ma'am.
Hmm.
Then it will be, ma'am, time waste.
Obviously, you need to get a break because you have to give your
Yes,
pre-boards,
Yes,
children.
ma'am.
Because first pre-board, then second pre-board, and then third pre-board. Because February we need to leave you free. December first pre-board, November first pre-board, December second pre-board, January third pre-board.
third
And then
people.
free, yes. We have to leave you free in Feb now.
And all these
Ma'am, our board
pre-boards will
will
be
happen in
online.
March.
Ma'am,
Beta,
please try
let's
to
see
leave these
whether it is
pre-board
going to be
in school.
online. Hanji.
मैम स्कूल में करने की ट्राई करिए ना.
No, ma'am, no one will come.
Ma'am, in second or third pre-board, I think some students would be ready to come, but in first pre-board, no one would. If they are in November.
You people don't have writing practice. How will you write your exams? I'm really worried.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, so are we.
Ma'am,
Beta,
school
3
don't give
hours.
us to
Ma'am, the
ma'am, do
basic
that,
problem
na?
that we faced in these pre-boards were of time management.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we were
How
not
to
able
write
to manage time in
pre-board
English
exams like.
exams.
है ना
Ma'am,
English
that's why
exam
we
like
say
And
that
ma'am,
we
it
are not
becomes
getting
very
time for
difficult to see
self-study,
the
ma'am.
PDF
That's the
and then
reason.
write
Yes, ma'am.
and then see
अरे
the
बेटा
screen.
पीडीएफ तो चलो कोई बात नहीं but how will you write in the real वाला board exams? You don't have your speed maintained. You're not in the habit of writing 3
Yes,
hours
ma'am.
continuous